happy kids.
A is for ambulance rushing down the street. B is for bus with comfy seats to greet. C is for car driving near and far. D is for drone flying like a star. E is for excavator digging in the ground. F is for fire truck with a siren sound. G is for garbage truck cleaning every day. H is for helicopter up and away. I is for ice cream truck, music playing loud. J is for Jeep, bumpy rides allowed. K is for cart, racing down the track. L is for lorry, carrying a heavy stack. M is for motorcycle, zooming past the line. N is for narrowboat, floating just fine. O is for off-roader, climbing up a hill. P is for police car, speedy and still. Q is for quad bike, fun and fast to go. R is for rocket, to the stars we flow. S is for scooter, riding on the street. T is for train with a rhythmic beat. U is for unicycle, balancing just right. V is for van, loading up tight. W is for wagon, pulled along the way. X is for X-ray van, saving the day. Y is for yacht, sailing on the sea. Z is for zeppelin, flying wild and free. Let's sing it again and learn A to Z, with all the cool vehicles, fun as can be.